Are you a seller or a homeowner? You definitely want to watch this video as it pertains to the maintenance of your home. The importance of keeping maintenance records and invoices for home improvement projects, of course, is beneficial. As a homeowner, you may have invested significant time and resources into maintaining your property and making various improvements over the years. But did you know that keeping detailed records of your efforts can be highly beneficial when it comes time to sell your beautiful home? Here's why. Number one, building buyer confidence when potential buyers are considering a property. That way, there's reassurance that it has been well maintained. Detailed home maintenance records provide an invaluable window into the care and upkeep of your home. These records, of course, showcase the diligence of the homeowner and demonstrate that the property has been attended to on a regular basis. This transparency builds trust and can help establish a positive rapport with the potential buyer from the beginning. Number two, maximizing your property's worth. Home maintenance records can go beyond showcasing regular upkeep. They highlight the hidden benefits of diligent maintenance. By keeping detailed records of maintenance tasks, you demonstrate that your property has received the necessary love and care to preserve its longevity. Buyers are more likely to see value in a home that has been well maintained with full transparency, as it reduces the risk of unexpected issues and the need for immediate repairs. Number three, streamlining the selling process is another reason why you should keep maintenance records. Keeping track of your home maintenance records is not just the type for type A personalities. It's for everyone. Having a comprehensive order of your home documents and keeping track of home repair, upgrades, or renovation is fundamental to future appraisals and potential resale. The fourth reason why you should keep home maintenance records is tax benefits. According to the IRS, capital improvements aren't taxed directly but can affect the taxes when you pay to sell your home. This is why homeowners need to document all the improvements made during a renovation or a remodel and keep your receipts as proof. It's not just hearsay. For tax purposes, the IRS enables you to add cost of improvements, but not money spent on maintenance, to your original purchase price. In conclusion, while it may seem like a chore to keep detailed records of your home maintenance tasks and improvement projects, doing so can have a significant benefit when it comes time for you to sell your home. Not only can it increase buyer confidence and potentially boost property value, but it can also provide tax benefits and streamline the selling process. So, start keeping those records right now, even as of today, and your future self will thank you. Hi, I'm Natasha Carroll, your Houston, Texas real estate professional and local relocation expert. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button so you'll catch all new content we release weekly.